Do you want to know how to generate a ton of leads on LinkedIn? Because I'm going to show you exactly how I'm able to contact about 100 people per day, send out messages even on top of that, and set up about 3 to 4 calls every single week just on LinkedIn using Sales Navigator. So I've been doing this for a while, and I generate I set up about 3 to 4 brand new calls every single week. That's on top of my normal calls or follow-up calls that I have with people. And all you have to do is know who you're going to target and know the messaging of your product to send to them. So I have my messaging pretty nailed down. I have it go from kind of like a soft introductory message into a more like pitch of here's what I do, this is what I can do for you. Are you interested? So yeah, I'm gonna start with how to know who you target. I mean, you should probably know who you're targeting, your avatar, as they call it in the marketing industry. So that would just literally be different filters that you can narrow searches down with. So first of all, I'd recommend getting Sales Navigator on LinkedIn so that you have access to all these filters right here. So if I open View All Filters, you'll see right here. This is my ideal avatar. This is the kind of client that needs my Instagram service. I also have a LinkedIn service, and that would be different people that I would be targeting. But I normally target people by industry, relationship, geography, past accounts. So I don't want to pull up anyone that I've already viewed, the seniority type. So that just makes sure it's decision makers of the company. I work with smaller companies, so entrepreneurs, the small businesses. And you can even narrow this down even more. So once I just get out of here, then it pulls up these lists. This is all the people who are my ideal clients, my ideal prospects that I have not actually viewed before. So then let's get into the messaging now that we have the targeting down. What you have to do in terms of the messaging, or at least what I recommend you do, is have a very generic connection message. Hey, I see you're a cosmetology entrepreneur. I see you are a small business in the cosmetics industry. I'm hoping we can connect. P.S. I do this for people. So I'll show you exactly what I would do here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this message that I sent to Conrad. This is the exact messaging that we need. I'm going to go ahead and go into the search here. Look for someone that I haven't sent a connection message to, like Aaron right here. Click the little connect. Put the message in here, switch out Conrad for Aaron. I don't really want to save her as a lead. And then click send invitation. So you can see I just sent that invite. And as soon as she connects, then she's going to pop up in the in-mail messaging area. And then I'm going to wait a day. I keep track of this all in an Excel sheet so I know who I reached out to on what day. I know if I'm going to reach the limit. And then I can know all the people that I reached out to yesterday. And then I'll show you some of the messages that I sent out. So here's the message I originally sent her. So this I send the next day. After they connect with me, I make sure that I send them, hey, thanks for connecting. Do you have a current Instagram strategy? If you don't, I help small businesses and entrepreneurs reach more of their ideal clients on Instagram. So that's my follow-up message. And then after about a week, a little bit under a week, I'll send this message. And then I have another message right after this. That's a little bit more harder of a pitch, I guess you would say. So the way that I have my messages set up is I have the soft connection message. Hey, thanks for connecting. This is what we do. I have, hey, this is a problem we see. This is a solution that we give our clients. We can do this for you. And then the last one is going to be more of a direct pitch. Hey, here's our service. This is how laid out. This is how much it costs. Let me know if you're interested. And so LinkedIn actually has a limit of 100 connection messages you can send out in a day. So don't go over that limit. They'll get you in trouble if you go over that. And you also have 100 follow-up messages every single day. which you won't actually reach because you can only send follow-up messages to people who connect. So you start that follow-up sequence after they actually connect with you. Then you can send out messages on top of that just to make sure you are not hitting them at a bad time, and you give them some time, hit them week by week, and then see if maybe the right time comes up a few weeks later. And then, yeah, you can normally set up a call with these people. Some of these people I have calls set up with, or I have had calls with them. And this helps me set up about 3 to 4 calls every single week. So that's huge. It is really running. It is most of the lead generation that I have in the business, and it works great for me. And I know it'll work great for you. So I hope you try it out. I hope you have as much success as I've had. And yeah, I hope you're able to get some new clients with using this system that I have. Well, cool. Hope you found value. If you did, definitely leave a like. And if you want to see more social media marketing stuff, definitely subscribe or follow me or connect with me wherever you're seeing this, whether it's on YouTube or LinkedIn or Instagram. But yeah, I do a lot of social media marketing content, and I help people conquer these social media algorithms. Cool. So I'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye-bye.